I didn't.
Yes, you did.
How you know?
How can you tell me?
I didn't get that text.
From Stewart?
Yeah.
Double check. You said today you should get from. Unless you put you all in different places tomorrow.
I'll ask him.
Hmm?
I'll ask him. Straight. I feel like you smell burning rubber. Am I tweaking?
Yeah, I do.
I'm not even hitting it like that for real. Alright. Definitely smell something burning.
You fucking tires, nigga.
I'm not even hitting that bit for real though. I'm in eco still. Like, I'm cooling, saving gas, saving
gas and shit.
saving the can't think of the word right now. The ozone.
Man, fuck the ozone, nigga. No, I'm just playing. All the way across, nigga. Gangster.
I can't see because my niggas here. I had to make noise to get the fuck out my way on BD. You kind of look like he.
Who look like you? Me? Oh shit.
I always drop the wrong window down.
He's my cousin.
Look like shit. This race.
He ain't gonna do it though.
I'm wondering if he try to catch up to me in race research. I'm wondering like we can have fun tonight, fun nigga.
Really pussy.
We can have fun tonight. You trying to stay behind me and shit, pull side shit. What's up with you? What you trying to get into though?
That shit smoky as shit, boy.
Oh, he wants smoke. He wants smoke. He wants smoke. Wrong window. Fuck. I always do that shit. What he trying to get into though? Like,
He not doing that shit.
he not doing that shit. He not doing that shit.
Look, he not doing that shit. He pussy.
Oh, I'll stop right behind this car. What's up? What he trying to get?
Hold on.
Oh.
Hold on, he on the other. Hold on.
Oh.
Hold on, nigga.
Oh, he dropped the window.
Oh, he dropped the motherfucking window.
That shit sound crazy.
What?
That shit sound crazy.
Appreciate it, my little baby right here.
Yeah, definitely, nigga.
Yo, you trying to race, huh? I bet. Oh yeah. That's what I need. That's what I like to see. This is what I need.
Take off on that nigga, man. Take off. Let that nigga know what this shit really about, man.
This shit, this that's what I need right here. Oh, what collide? I didn't even see that nigga. That nigga go. I didn't even see that nigga. Nigga said that shit got me. Of course it don't.
Your shit go.
Yo, BDS.
That's.
Oh, nigga can't fuck with me. Oh, that's dog right there. That's a dog right there. That's a dog. I should have subscribed to the YouTube for real.
You seen that shit?
You see, we burnt up something. He had to see the logo in the back.
That nigga said that shit sound hard.
I don't know where the fuck they at though. That shit low-key lit though. Get the camera, y'all.
Shut your bitch ass up. I'm camera man today.
Which way should I go?
Who's bitches out here?
It's a Hellcat? Nah, it's not.
Blue ass. Can I get myself together first, nigga? Damn. Drop her shit.
I don't know where the fuck they could be at, to be honest. Oh, that shit lit as a motherfucker though.
There's some bad niggas out here.
This shit lit as fuck. It's like a whole party battle royale.
What the fuck is that? Let's go.
Nigga, what? This shit too hard. Should I make a left or right?
Left.
I don't know where the fuck. He's like, what is that? Why are you at the car? You should have showed the
Niggas really at niggas
at though?
He was over here to the left.
He went down one more, right?
Yeah. One more.
Yeah, we with that shit.
Lo que vendo es sticky, se despatillan todas por la piqui. Los pines de 200 redondo como lo oreje Mickey. Van a correr los Jordan Drew y Nicky. Bala mi sombrilla, lo único que sale de tu boca cuando llevo la semilla. Mientras yo respire, nadie aspira. Las semillas tapan los bolones de los pines. Y no me llega menos tú. Hasta la bola se me va.
What the fuck is that?
How you doing? My name's Jersey. How you doing?
Lindsay.
Nice to meet you. Right? Nice to meet you. Jersey. Bro, who vape car is it? Who the nigga? That's you. We was next to you the other day, yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
That shit is hard, I ain't gonna lie.
¿En serio dio la vuelta?
A little crazy. Nah, you know, we gotta get that shit on the camera, bro. That shit, you know, we gotta get this one though.
What, the lights?
Yeah.
I wonder how much that costs.
You said what? This shit right here. I want to know how much this shit was to wrap. 2 bands? So what would you get yours wrapped like?
I told you already.
Like the Asaski shit?
Yeah.
You'll get it just like this?
Nah, I would do some simple shit. This, my car bigger than this. It wouldn't cost me 2 bands. It cost me like 4 or 3.
This shit right here is elite, nigga.
Hasta que se acabe la noche. Y yo me quedo contigo hasta que se acabe la noche. Y yo me quedo contigo hasta que se acabe la noche.
Then niggas be in big gas cars and shit. Be in basic cars and shit.
What the fuck is this?
BMW? M2?
M2? I've never seen that before. That's like a brand. That's like a 3. That's gotta be. I've never seen an M2 before. It has to be the newest one. I've never seen that.
It might be.
Fuego. Them niggas got money right here.
Who?
These two.
Well, how much
It
was
was like 50.
Those go for 50? Niggas is trolling big time, boy.